Hi everyone, this is Hogger from AZ Network channel. So welcome back to AZ Network channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Theta token in the US, which is not in the Coinbase or the Binance website. So you can do like in any website or buy it or sell it. So I'm going to show you a way how to buy Theta coin from in the US, I mean. So first of all, so we need to go to um, Simple Swap website. So I'm gonna put the link in the description. And here you need to go to the floating rate and choose. Basically, you need to buy it from whatever coin that you have. For example, I have some Stellar here in the Coinbase that I have it. So I'm gonna make a transaction from Stellar to Theta coin by using the simple swap. So you can do whatever coin that you have. For example, if you wanna use Ethereum or if you wanna use like a XRP or any of them, but I'm gonna use XLM Stellar. Um, I have a um, like 70 stellar. I'm gonna buy theta. I'm gonna put theta here and it will show me how many theta I will get. So here you need to put your theta address. So for this one, you need to go to thetatoken.org and go to wallet. In this wallet, if you don't have a wallet, create a wallet. It will give you a key store file and everything. Be sure that save this key offline or like get a private key or minimum key word like a 12 words because to save your wallet. So or you can use the hardware like a ledger or tracer. Um, I already have a wallet, so I'm gonna click on the receive and copy my public address. Um, I'm gonna put my public address here and say exchange. Here it will give you um, like a XLM to this address. You need to it will give you like a temporary address and with a tag right here to send it to this address and it will finish your confirming exchanging and it will put the theta like a 6.4 theta in your wallet. So here I'm gonna go to my um, Coinbase and I'm gonna put send and receive. Um, I'm gonna pay with Stellar. Okay, I'm gonna pay with Stellar and I'm changing this one to 70. You need to put the address, this address, copy right here. I'm gonna put this address and Memo ID. You need to put the Memo ID, this Memo ID right here and click continue. So here it will show you that I'm sending to this address um, to confirm. So you need to double check everything and send now. Um, so say you need to trust them. I'm gonna put send now. Here it will you will get a um, like a notification. The security, I'm gonna put my security code right here. Okay, here you go. It's done, so you can click on done, and you need to wait here uh, to refresh this page. It will take some time, so I'm gonna pause the video, but before pausing the video, you need to save this exchange ID right here and copy it and save it somewhere because you need this exchange ID for later. Okay, guys, so you should have your um, exchange ID. As I say, just copy paste it and save it somewhere. So you are going to simple swap again, and you go all the way down to track your swap. You will see, you will put your tracking swap ID and you will hit the search button. So it will show you the transaction. It say confirming exchanging is finished. So it's already finished. And if you go to your wallet, you will see that you get the same amount of your theta. So in this way, so you can make a transaction and you can buy a theta in the US. I hope you guys um, liking my video, and please subscribe my channel to see more videos about the cryptocurrency. Thank you guys.